In today's video, I will be showing you how to find a privacy and security section on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application of Bluesky, and then you will find these three lines up here. Click on it, and you will find the settings, and here you will find privacy and security. Now here you can manage this section as you like. You can change the two-factor authentication, or you can add a password app. That's it. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.